Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Honor Magic 8 series just launched 2 days ago, and today we're diving deep into its full review. We'll explore the key differences between the various models, examine the upgraded eye protection features, look at the exclusive AI capabilities, discuss whether that 200 megapixel telephoto camera really matters, and of course, test the overall performance and power efficiency of the entire Magic 8 lineup. The Magic series has always been known for its powerful AI features, and this year's Honor Magic 8 takes things to a whole new level. Let's break down everything you need to know about this flagship. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the design, the Honor Magic 8 keeps the same signature octagonal aesthetic from the previous generation, blending square and rounded elements. But look closely and you'll notice the refinements. The Rising Sun Gold and Snow Jade White finishes have more intricate detailing. The camera layout and flash position have been subtly adjusted, and on the Pro model, the lens area features decorative screws for a more polished look. The Pro version uses a fiberglass back with a frosted metal frame that feels slimmer and smoother in hand compared to last year's model. Its backplate curves gently on both sides of softly rounded corners. The standard model, on the other hand, sticks to a flat glass and metal build with a straight screen. Both variants come with a physical AI button on the frame that supports single press, double tap, and long press actions for customizable shortcuts. With the pre-applied screen protector, the Pro version weighs about 224 grams, while the standard version sits at 209 grams. Honestly, phones over 200 grams have become the new normal, especially since both of these pack massive 7,000 mAh+ batteries. In terms of thickness, the Pro measures 8.6 millimeters, while the standard model is 8.35 millimeters. The Pro's camera bump extends about 5.8 millimeters. Both are impressively built and even boast IP68 and IP69K water resistance ratings, something we rarely see together. Now let's talk about the display and eye protection, one of Honor's strongest areas. The Magic 8 introduces the AI Natural Light Oasis Eye Protection display. The standard variant sports a 6.58-inch 1.5K panel, while the Pro version has a slightly larger 6.71-inch 1.5K 4-micro curved display. That gentle curvature makes edge swipes feel smoother and more premium. Both models feature ultrasonic fingerprint sensors for faster and more secure unlocking. The Pro adds a 3D depth sensing front camera for better facial recognition. Apart from screen size and shape, the rest of the display specs are identical. Wide color gamut, LTPO adaptive refresh rate, and incredible peak brightness. Speaking of brightness, manual mode hits around 870 nits, and under strong light, it automatically boosts up to 1800 nits. Our test even reached 1974 nits, putting it among the brightest displays on any current flagship. Now about that AI eye protection. The Magic 8 series uses 3840 Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming at low brightness levels and DC dimming at medium to high brightness. If your eyes are extra sensitive, you can switch to 4320 Hz comfort mode, which further reduces flicker and strain. Thanks to AI, Honor also includes visual health management, tracking your screen time and environment. The Pro's depth sensing camera detects your surroundings in real time. Whether it's too dark, has flickering light, or an unusual color temperature, and alerts you to protect your eyes. It even warns you about bad posture, like being too close to the screen or lying on your side while using the phone. Both models also feature flicker sensors that help reduce rainbow patterns when photographing displays or bright lights, resulting in cleaner shots. Another first-in-the-industry innovation is light flicker detection. It continuously monitors ambient light and adjusts screen behavior accordingly, while providing feedback on how healthy your current lighting environment is. Moving on to the AI features. This is where Honor flexes its innovation. Common tools like AI writing and article summarization are now just basic functions. The Magic 8 introduces a new one-click in-depth research feature. For example, if you ask, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Yo-Yo, Honor's AI assistant will analyze it from multiple disciplines: biology, philosophy, genetics, archaeology, and neuroscience, even listing academic studies and reports. The responses are impressively detailed and professional. With macOS 10 and the upgraded Yo-Yo interactive system, you can use the side AI button to instantly access 8 major AI experiences. For instance, if you ask where to buy the Honor Magic 7 Pro at the lowest price, Yo-Yo scans the entire web, highlights coupon deals, and even gives you direct store links. You can also drag and drop product images into any app, and Yo-Yo will automatically compare prices and find discounts across platforms. No more switching between multiple shopping apps. It's simple, fast, and genuinely useful. If you find setting things up manually a bit of a hassle, you can simply assign the AI button and let Yo-Yo handle everything for you. Through a video call with Yo-Yo, it can recognize what's on your screen and directly carry out operations for you. No tapping or typing required. For example, let's say you want to plan a nearby trip. Yo-Yo will instantly identify your current location, your near central street, it says, and then put together a full day trip plan for you. From 8:30 to 10 a.m., you could start at the Hagia Sophia, and from there, continue exploring the area. Now imagine you're traveling. You turn on the camera and ask Yo-Yo, "Tell me about this building." It will immediately respond, "This is Wangguo Yangxing, founded in 1922. In 2023, this century-old shop teamed up with Shoshan Centennial Courtyard to form a new cultural district, preserving and sharing the rich history of this old street." It's like having your own AI-powered tour guide in your pocket. And if you're hungry, Yo-Yo's got that covered too. It automatically detects your surroundings through the camera, identifies your current street, and recommends popular local restaurants. Let's say it suggests Petersburg Russian restaurant, known for its red cabbage soup and braised beef. You can even ask Yo-Yo to check for group deals or discounts, and it'll find the latest offers for you right away. Need to connect to Wi-Fi at your hotel? Just point the camera and say, "Help me connect to Wi-Fi." Yo-Yo will instantly recognize the network and connect automatically. No passwords, no settings menus. Now you're seated at a restaurant, your food arrives, and you're curious about calories. Just aim the camera and say, "Analyze this dish." Yo-Yo will scan your bowl of noodles, identify the ingredients, noodles, meat, veggies, red oil, and estimate around 400 to 600 calories. It'll even log the data in your health app automatically. Paired with your Honor Watch, it syncs your height, weight, and activity data to give you personalized meal suggestions. Finished your meal? You can ask Yo-Yo to check in at the restaurant directly. No need to open any apps. After using all these AI features, one thing becomes clear. Everything feels smooth, intelligent, and incredibly intuitive. The Honor Magic Series AI system truly stands out from what we've seen before. It's not just reactive, it's proactive, understanding your intent in real time and executing commands with precision. Take something simple like shopping. Instead of just showing you where to buy something, it now automatically grabs coupons, connects you to Wi-Fi, and even tracks your calorie data. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it does it for you, saving you time and effort. And thanks to Yo-Yo video calls, you can interact with the AI face-to-face, making the experience much more natural than relying only on text or voice. Now for iPhone users, don't worry, switching is easier than ever. The latest macOS 10 supports cloud data cloning from iOS, and you can even import your iPhone data via wired OTG. In the past, wireless transfers could take hours, sometimes half a day, but Honor's wired transfer is lightning fast. Even better, cross-device file sharing works seamlessly. You can easily send documents between your Honor phone and iPhone. In upcoming updates, Honor Connect will go further, letting both systems share notifications, calls, and verification codes across devices. Essentially, it breaks the ecosystem barrier. You can see Honor notifications on your iPhone and vice versa. It's like both devices speak the same language. You have me, and I have you. And if you're a Windows user, you'll love this part. Honor phones connect natively to Windows 11, enabling cross-device operations, file transfers, phone calls, text messaging, and even opening mobile apps directly on your computer. Even if you're still on Windows 10, no problem. Just install Honor Super Workstation to unlock the same interconnectivity. And if you own an Honor tablet, the integration gets even better. You can control your phone screen directly on the tablet, drag and drop files, and even edit WPS documents from your phone right on your tablet. The interface feels exactly like using WPS on a PC. If you're curious about the super powerful Honor Magic Pad 3 Pro, check out the full review on our channel. It's already up there waiting for you. All right, let's dive into the camera performance of the Honor Magic 8 series. Both the standard and Pro models come with a triple camera setup, but the key differences lie in the main and telephoto lenses. Unlike last year's model, the Pro version drops the variable aperture system. Instead, it focuses on upgrading its telephoto capabilities, and trust me, it's quite an upgrade. This year, the Pro introduces a 200 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3.7x optical zoom, an 85mm focal length, and up to 100x digital zoom, all built on a 1.4-inch sensor, something you rarely see in smartphones. Honor has clearly put a lot of attention into night telephoto photography this time. When compared to competitors, the difference is easy to spot. The telephoto sensor's large size allows it to capture more light, making low-light photos cleaner and more detailed. Even in challenging lighting conditions, highlights remain natural and noise is kept to a minimum. For instance, in side-by-side tests, the texture of curtains stays sharp and visible while colors stay true to life. Even the standard model, with its 72mm telephoto, performs impressively. In sample shots with red and yellow tones, the Magic 8 Pro nails the color accuracy, keeping images vibrant yet realistic. Now, when we move to AI-supported ultralight telephoto mode, the improvement over the previous generation is clear. Text edges appear crisper, and the highlight control on lights and reflections looks far more natural. In portrait mode, that 200 megapixel lens really shines. It supports classic focal lengths of 85mm and 135mm and can even extend to 170mm. Whether you're shooting half-body portraits or close-ups, it delivers stunning depth and cinematic feel. The Yagoo portrait mode adds another layer of realism and mood, giving portraits a storytelling texture. For video, this telephoto camera brings a major feature: SEPA 5.5 level stabilization, one of the strongest in the industry. We compared it with the iPhone, the benchmark for mobile videography. In night shots, you can clearly see that Honor's footage maintains sharp text edges and clean lighting. With handheld stabilization, the jelly effect is minimal, and when you switch to super stabilization, even darker scenes remain smooth. On the iPhone, low light tends to trigger an automatic switch back to the main lens, while Honor prioritizes brightness and low noise. In terms of overall steadiness, both perform well, but it depends on which look you personally prefer. In bright scenes, Honor's tone mapping, especially for skies and light transitions, looks more natural and visually pleasing. Next, let's check out ultra-wide samples. The Honor maintains strong clarity and depth, though in darker corners, you might notice a bit of softness. Still, the overall image purity and color consistency are impressive. Now here's something really cool. the new AI color chasing feature. Have you ever seen a photo online that looks so perfectly graded, you wish your shots looked like that? With AI color chasing, now they can. Simply pick a photo you love, and Honor's AI will replicate its color tone in real time for your own shots. Even if you forget to turn it on while shooting, don't worry, you can apply it later in the gallery app. Just pick a reference photo and instantly transfer its color palette to your image. Honor also includes preset filters like Romantic Blue, Warm Faith, and Golden Autumn for more creative options. Let's move on to performance. The Honor Magic 8 series is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship processor. In our Genshin Impact test at the highest graphics settings and 60 FPS for 30 minutes, the Magic 8 Pro held a stable full frame rate, showing smooth visuals with no frame drops. Thermals are well managed thanks to the ultra-wide vapor cooling system with temperatures around 41.7 degrees Celsius on the front and 41.8 degrees Celsius on the back. Impressive for such a heavy game. Power consumption stays efficient at 3.68 watts. The phone also supports AI Super Frame and AI Super Resolution, enhancing gameplay quality and smoothness even further. In more demanding titles like Iron Collapse Golden Moment, the Pro maintained 59.8 FPS average at peak graphics for 30 minutes, with temps around 44.6 degrees Celsius front and 44.7 back, and 5.14 watts power draw, a great performance to efficiency ratio compared to other flagships. Powering all of this is the new Qinghai Lake Battery, which brings higher energy density, a 15% improvement over previous designs. The standard Magic 8 packs a 7,000 mAh cell, while the Pro version goes even further with 7,200 mAh. In 5 rounds of moderate to heavy daily use tests, both phones impressed. After identical usage, the smaller Magic 8 finished with just 1% less battery than the Pro, both averaging around 70% remaining, proving excellent endurance. When it comes to charging, the standard Magic 8 supports 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless, while the Pro pushes it up to 120-watt wired and 80-watt wireless, currently the fastest wireless charging in any new phone. In our charging test, the standard version went from 1% to 55% in 30 minutes, reaching 100% in 64 minutes. The Pro model charged fully in just 38 minutes. When topped off completely, the Pro reached a peak power of 90 watts, and the standard peaked at 74 watts, finishing in about 1 hour, 30 minutes. In short, the Honor Magic 8 series shows how AI is redefining how we interact with smartphones. From camera intelligence and eye protection displays to gaming optimization and smart charging, everything feels designed to make your experience more effortless. And that 200 megapixel telephoto, combined with the industry-leading stabilization, makes photography smoother and more professional than ever. Pair that with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite chip, and performance worries are a thing of the past. So what do you think? Does the Magic 8 impress you this year? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, a detailed flagship comparison video is coming soon, so hit subscribe and join our tech community. See you in the next video.